a knocked over garbage can. So let's just say like this, you knocked over a garbage can like this. Then there's two ways you could do it. So you're gonna start by lifting up your arm and just sticking out your arm. I'm just doing it on the AMRAP right now, but I could demonstrate it in another truck if you want. Just let me know in the comments. So you're just gonna extend out like that, and then you're gonna push 4 to release it, and then it should just like pop back out like this, and then you could dump your garbage can like that. Easy. This is another way like this with a smaller can. It works a bit differently. So like this, if we knock it over on accident, like that, we accidentally knock it over. You could also do like this with the arm or the claw. You could stick it out, pinch it, and then try to like pick it up with the lid like that. That's another way you could do it. So that's 2 ways you could do it. And then yeah, those are mainly the 2 ways you could pick up a knocked over garbage can. There's a few others, but those are like the main ones. If you have any other tips and tricks that you want to know, you could let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make a video on that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!